Hello and welcome to another video with Grace's House of Plants. This is a very unplanned video which I've decided to quickly make because of a very interesting something that has just arrived in the post. Now I am videoing this because I really want to just give an insight into the plant industry online and how service is so important, and that whole end-to-end service is obviously the most crucial part because it's about that communication. So, without further ado, here's the story. I ordered some plants from an Indonesian plant seller on Etsy, probably about a month ago, so 29th of January. It's now the 2nd of March. A week later, they became uncontactable on Etsy, so the Etsy account had basically been closed down. I was like, wow, lost all those plants. This seller clearly has been removed from Etsy as a scam or a not fit for a sale kind of seller, not a good business. So I opened the case with Etsy and all was resolved, and then I got this today. So without further ado, let's open it. Off I go then. Oh my god, this is so intense. I literally can't remember what I ordered because I completely forgot on purpose so that I didn't get upset. Oh, right. Can't feel any heat packs. Oh my god. How strange. So, I know I definitely ordered melon. What the hell? Okay. No wonder this set have been removed from Etsy. Stickers. I didn't order any stickers. What the hell? And this is an ashtray or something. Right, okay, let's go through these then. So what have we got? Okay, right, we've got one melano here. And this one looks like it had a leaf on it, and that leaf is now gone. But we'll put that one there. Oh, there we go. You can just laugh. You just can't do anything other than laugh. So they've all just lost their leaves by the looks of it. Like, I've got 3 root balls here. They look like they've been like really shaken up. You've got like roots there. There's 2. They look like they had quite big leaves. Not big, but like not small. Thing is, they're not awful. Like, they could have been a lot worse. Like, I could salvage that. I could try anyway. No, I don't know where my pink caladium is. There's another melano. Oh my god. I don't know where my pink caladium is. So the leaves look like they've just disintegrated inside the tissue. And that's it. I mean, that's a nice leaf. At least so this is what I've got. Okay, let's have a debrief then after that. In front of me, I've kind of collected everything that we got, other than the kind of random tissue paper and moss. Okay, first reflections. Biggest concern, there was no phyto certificate. This item's come from Indonesia, so I will now have to quarantine all of these plants. Most of which are salvageable, to be quite honest, but I will now have to quarantine them. I'm very regimented when it comes to photo certificates. I will get every single one, and if it's not correct, I will not go through with it because I know the customs legalities. So in a nutshell, let's go through what I actually got in the package. So the first thing I actually picked out was on the top, and it looked first like a little kind of packaging thing to hold them in, but when you open it out, it's actually a sticker pack. And the funniest thing is that it reads like this. Life has taught us that love does not consist in gazing at each other, but in looking outward together in the same dire. What the? If anyone's ever received something weird like that in their package, let me know in the comments of this video, because this could get very interesting. I actually received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 melano plants. All of them are stems. Obviously I didn't buy them like this. So they clearly were wrapped in moss, and their leaves were obviously attached, and they have then lost their leaves in transit. I could see all the dead leaves in the tissue. This is my only good one that I found, but it's not that bad, to be fair, but it's nice seeing it next to my big one, because it's like, I'm really glad I've got this now. These are the kind of things we've got to work with. To be quite honest, there's they're not dead. Like, I definitely could revive them, I think, with a bit of moss and like, for example, this one just here next to my index finger, you can see like a little shoot, and obviously there's little roots coming off. It's actually a bulb. I've never actually grown a melano from a bulb, so that'll be interesting. The rest of them just look like this. So again, like, there's a little shoot just here. So I think some final thoughts. It's so important that you, I think, check reviews, because I made that mistake. This lady, I remember, she had like the best prices, the best photos, but she had no reviews. I took a massive risk and I had to pay for it because I received this thing. So I guess that's just my observation, and I don't know if anyone else has had some similar experiences. Main learnings would be photo certificates are so important, and I'm really shocked that I put such work into putting mine together when there's a lot of people who don't. Second of all, the order wasn't fulfilled because I ordered other stuff that I remember ordering that wasn't in there. So yeah, let me know. I'd love to hear if anyone else had any similar situations with their plant mail, and I hope you're all staying safe, having a great week, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.